Good afternoon, one and all present here. Today discuss about a case study outsourcing manufacturing engineering service, case study in process planning. Myself K. Ramesh, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Engineering. Topic of the day: manufacturing. Manufacturing process planning is the process of selecting and sequencing manufacturing process such that a achieve one of the more goals and satisfies at the domain constraints. Outsourcing abstract manufacturing process planning is the process of selecting and sequencing manufacturing process such that they achieve one or more goal of safety satisfies at the domain constraint. Oil and gas industry is government restricted manufacturing of quality assurance. As a result, manufacturing plays deal amongst the creating proper process planning documentation. Master router, as known as oil and gas industry, is one of the process plan documentation constraint. Complete the set information about the sequences of operation, work centers, cycle times, and production resource tools. Master routine are required to be generated irrespective workload and quantify the schedule constraints. Select optimum machining operation. Best suitable machines carry the operation. Calculate optimum time. Meet all quality requirements. This case study deals and challenges involvement generation of routine or oil gas equipment manufacture. Generation of the master routines, challenges and the outsourcing master routines, master routine work stream, the PIE diagram with VSM activities, major activities, process standardization, productive improvement and through automation, quick access tools, next productivity improvement through automation, improved quality, benefits of outsourcing, future steps, conclusion, reference. Uh, Generation of master routines. A master router is generated a SHAP system developed to suit the production organization. Detailed understanding of the in-house machining capability and constraint familiarization to machining vendors and costing. In depth of knowledge, product and application, material requirement and property, quality requirements, knowledge of testing and product resource of tooling capabilities are essential requirement and engineers to generate master router. Once the master router is created for parts and assembly, the basic cost of product is delivered based on the times entered in the router complete operation. After the order confirmation, production order is released in extra to the master router. The demonstrate method manufacturer require quality of parts of order. The key business drive of manufacturer mounting competitive pressure globally and locally. Regulation not just from salute of local governance but also from international agreements like GATT, ROH, etc. Dividing signs of what was the one of the mass production items coming down the two smaller batch size due to increased competition and developing technology in product and process. Further, the life cycle product it's getting sequenced. The escalation of cost in labor, energy, and raw material. Outsourcing master routines. process map for outsourcing master routines. Creation is optimized to ensure higher productivity with no compromise on quality. Such established unproven process map help one to the venture readily in the new business engagement without requiring a great deal of research. Master routine work system. First, assign and delegates work order to outside coordinator. Get drawing and master assignment from supplier. Package detailed document, record and send to office. Delegates work order to office team. Study documents and estimates time for delivery and master routine. Next, assign the workload. Team members based shift priority. Generate master routines. Seek clarification to the queries if any. Check with manufacturing specialists or production staff or clarification. Address the team's queries. Update the master routine based on clarification received. Self review with checklist. Technical review with checklist. Send list work completer work order with comments. Delegates work order on coordinator. Submit to the customer team lead to the review high value complex products. Delegate for the costing. Customer activity cost, outside coordinated activity cost, offline team activities. uh, PAE diagram is VSM activities. PAE diagram is VSC activities. Total activities of customer 3 to 17 percentage. The total activities of cost 15 to 83 percentage. Major activities in the optimization of service router creation, cleaning all router in the system, correcting all router for the optimum result, standardization of manufacturing method of various product, productivity improvement for router creation, achieving first time right quality, process standardization, efficient cycle time for the completing manufacturing with the highest degree of the quality is ensured by standardizing manufacturing method of product families. The cost of the has provide solution to customer accommodating by this implementing lean manufacturing practice. As part of lean manufacturing techniques, implementation of first analyzed standard product lines, part completers, and annual product carried Six Sigma project. As a result, which is following changes were suggest implemented: restricting a planet layout, elimination of insufficient mission, installation of new mission with desired capability, optimization of complete tooling inventory, supplier management. Process standardization, a detailed understanding of customer manufacturing capability of familiarization with the machines will enable to manual cleanup all the master routines if obscure the false information. The this is bring the master routines in the plans. If information uniform, flat and facilitate the master transformation if system is required future. Productivity improvement through automation. To generate master routine wide range documents are required to brief refer right from raw material procurement to the dispatch of the finished product. To ensure the all manufacturing engineering refer to the same set documents. Cost help controlling the internal document centrally has to develop tools for easy and quickly access to the documents, which reduced substantial amount of time engineers in searching for the latest set documents. By this, quality of master routine is ensured. Productivity improvement through automation. First, primary threads, thread type, costing. Here description heading and one of the productivity improvement through automation. Quick access tools. Quick access tools means all quick access tools and reference documents are completed into the single control panel, which is a common platform for all manufacturing engineers to refer to the technical information. Regular updation of such tools is required to ensure that the information is complete and as per the latest developments. Productivity main menu, index, weight, calculator, first article, suggestion, technical, master times is integrated in the main productivity improvements. Improved quality means defects is routine can be used potential damage with respect to the time, cost, reliability. Some of the defects can use cause rejection part while other lead to work. With standardization of the process, the probability of the occurrence of such critical defects is greatly minimized. Yet defects due to the human error cannot be completely overviewed. They ensure the routine generator are highest quality and defects free. Mechanism of checking routines error developed the semi automated checklist highlighted the error which existing the routine after the creation. The highlighting insufficiency of process planner reviewer to relook correct error there are almost eliminating the delivery defective route customer. Consulting all the errors captured in checklist during review, measurements and analysis of defects is carried out to understand significant contributors like defects rate, highest category of defects, highest contributor, defect trend, etc. Benefits of outsourcing. Due to the offsource execution of tasks, there are large margin cost benefit of customers. Around 85% of routine execution time spent major field customer leading to cost benefit of more than 50%. At the same time, due to outsourcing of the customer has flexibility to down supported team size according to the workflow respective plans. Another major benefit outsourcing the creation of master routine that team generally supported manufacturing plan at different location of customer. This promote highest degree different platform customer during peak load requirement helps in sharing best practice and involvement scopes across the all location. A part of all these benefits, the core team of offsites inside the standardization manufacturing methods across the different location bring uniformly on quality of products all over the elimination ineffective process leading to unnecessary cost. Further steps in one of the looks the value stream map in activities here could join uh, outside source resource. The total number of activities handled outside 6 consuming the about 15 percentage cycle time routine generation. Conclusion. Outsourcing manufacturing engineers servicing like routine creation and detailed process planning helps to achieve higher profit margin, quality and productivity improvements, process standardization and enable redeployment of customer engineering and high responsibility. Has been providing manufacturing engineering and all allied the team nearly 300 members of average experience, 7 plus year of several repeated customer such oil expert is the e-commerce nearby 20,000 hour process planning, CNC program, inspection planning, CMM programming, cost modeling and various analysis. So not cost the has delivery more than 10,000 deliverable like process plan, CNC program, CM program, etc. in our every time about the message. The cost recommended integrated Outsource the model, outsource manufacturing, engineering, related activities, provide online support. Cost can be extended. Its support in enable to running manufacturing to the anyone in sale. Reference the project data cost, project server and planning HTP, computer costs of SIM integrated manufacturing planning and is one of the main process. Once again, process planning and cost estimate a case study, outsourcing manufacturing engineer service, a case study in process planning. Topic of the topic topic of the process planning. Process planning is abstract, generation of master routines, challenges, outsourcing master routines, a master routines work team. PI diagram is VSM activities, major activities in creations, cleaning all old routines in the system, correcting all router for optimum results, standardization of manufacturing methods of various products, productivity improvement for router creation, achieving first time right quality, process standardization, process standardization, a detailed understanding of the customer manufacturing capitalized for familiarization with the machines and process enable manual cleanup all the master routines, upstore false information. Productivity improvement through automation. To generate a master router, a wide range documents refer right raw material procurement to dispatch of the finished product. To ensure that all the manufacturing engineers refer to the same set of documents. Kust helps controlling internal documents centrally and developed tools for easily and quickly access to the documentation, which has reduced substantial amount of time engineers and searching latest documents by quality of master route ensure productivity improvement through automation. Quick tools, quick access tools, the reference documents. Productivity improvement through automation. Main menu index. What is weight calculator? First article technical